It's fun to get around everybody. That's the beauty of motorcycles. If you're using your motorcycle like a little car, you're missing a huge point of the motorcycle. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Tuesday afternoon? No, it's a Multistrada over there, 620. Nice. And look at this Ford. Anyway, here we are, vlogging on the streets of Brooklyn. And guess what? Today's vlog will be about riding like a saint. Now, I've been posting some vlogs of some savage riding, and people have called me out and, you know, telling me how I don't know how to ride properly. And in this vlog, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how to ride exactly properly, like an angel. So, at all times, before you take off, you make sure your helmet is fastened, you know, you make sure your mirrors are positioned properly, and you're comfortable on the bike. And take your sweet time. Basically, you just have to ride really, really slow and calmly. Keep your distance, signal, all of that. Like, for example, even that instance back there, there was 3 separate moves that I could have done, but I didn't. Same here. I could have turned in before this car, but I didn't. So I'm signaling to the left, doing a nice little slow speed turn, observant of all the cars to the left and to the right, parked and otherwise. Pull up behind this car at the stop sign. Avoid all temptations to get around people who are hesitating or going too slow. Obviously keeping it under 25 miles per hour, since that is the speed limit. Don't ride with one hand, not necessary. 2 hands. Coming to a stop, apply both brakes very so gently. Bum. Perfect stop. Oh, I kind of jumped that one. I feel like I could have stopped for an extra second there. Anyway, we're cruising. Doing pretty good. Taking a look at a skate park and then realizing I gotta focus straight. Now is not the time to be looking about. Stop. Continue forward. Ever so gingerly. 2 hands on the steering wheel. We're looking around at all times. You should be checking your mirrors every 10-15 seconds. Even less. Like when I'm riding, I check my mirrors all the damn time. Over here, we got to take a right, so we put on the signal, and then we take left, look left and right to make sure that even though if it's our right of way, there's still no savages out there not paying attention. Stop at the stop sign and gingerly, ever so gently, pull up. We're going left here, so I put on my blinker, apply both brakes very nicely. I always stop to the side, not directly behind the car, but to the left or to the right, in case I need to like escape. If somebody's coming in from the back hot, you can get out of the way. Like whenever I'm at a red light or stop sign, I always check my mirrors, because people out there been getting rear-ended because people are not paying attention. Normally I would have already honked at that guy, went around him, but no. Normally I would scare this lady because, you know, you should speed up, but it's not that serious. It's funny, when you're riding your bike very calmly and slowly, especially this bike, like a Ducati Monster, it's so jerky. I could see what people mean by the bike monsters are very jerky at slow speeds, and it's true. That's why I usually like rev the hell out of this bike and gun it. But we are in Williamsburg, and there's no need really to go fast at all, ever. Let's just stay behind this taxi and be calm. What a beautiful day. It's been really nice in Brooklyn, but tomorrow it all comes to an end. because tomorrow the rains come. Like, look at this taxi. At this rate, we're probably not making any of these lights. You know, it's fun to get around everybody. That's the beauty of motorcycles. If you're using your motorcycle like a little car, you're missing a huge point of the motorcycle. That's the whole point. The motorcycle is not a car, you know? It is not a car. So to use it as a car is silly talk. All these people getting off the train. This guy, I would honk at him so hard, but if you're driving properly, you don't honk at anybody, because you only honk for danger. You never honk because you're impatient, you know. And here we go, we're taking a right here, so we signal. Just like that. You do not pull up to the front. Normally I might have just squeezed up there, but not this time. This time I'm just gonna take it easy. And on top of it all, TMI maybe, but I'm getting sick. I got the chills right now, my nose is stuffed, I'm sneezing, and it's like 65 degrees out and people walking around in t-shirts, and I'm wearing a thermal and a jacket and gloves, and I'm chilly. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Here we go. Let's drive. See? Did not honk the horn. Kept it PC. This lady, you know, could walk a little faster, but why bother? I'm just keeping it under 25 as I make my way down the street to Bedford Avenue. Stop at the stop sign. Pull up a little bit because I can't fucking see because of this NYPD truck, and then I pull up through the people. A couple of bikes around here, kind of cute. Nice Benz. Beautiful light right now. It's like sunset, you know. We're about half an hour from sunset, so we stop there, obviously, and we keep going. It's a beautiful thing. At this juncture, we're taking a left, and I put on my signal. Everybody here is always confused, and I would imagine most of these people are not from around here. Most of these people, even though they have New York plates, they're all from freaking Buffalo and Niagara Falls, because the commitment is non-existent in their driving. That person who's holding up the line is driving an Infiniti QX50. Can you believe that shit? That guy could have pulled out 5 times. I'm resisting the urge to lay on the horn, even though this person is horrible. All of this is going on in my head. If I wasn't vlogging, you wouldn't even know this. You'd think I'm just a biker sitting at a stop sign, you know. We'll wait. Go ahead, sir. You got this. No problem at all. I've waited for so long to be so polite. It got to the point where a Mercedes was about to pass going around me. And over here, oh man, what do? Normally I would just already pull up and turn, but no, by the rules. All right, and here we are. Now let's find the parking spot. Monday, Thursday, what's today? Today is Wednesday. So that's a nice spot. I think I'll just stop right here. Nice little, ooh, it's like a little Ducati block. It's okay. I could do like a, what? You want to park here? What? You want to park here? Okay. Actually, no, I'm gonna park right here. See, I'm a nice, polite guy. I gave this guy a chance to park, and karma will return its gift to me. And this is a much better spot anyway. Alright. There we are. So how was it? Nice and calm? Pretty good? Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.